Now we are proceeding to our next tool, which is Sparta Vulnerability Scanner, which is used to gather information from internet about a particular IP address. We can also scan this particular IP address on Sparta Vulnerability Scanner. So as you can see in the first, click on Information Gathering Tools in Kali Linux and navigate to Sparta Vulnerability Scanner. Second, click on the Add Host. The Add Host is a button there in Sparta, and then you have to type your target IP address there, and then click on Add to Scope, and it will start Nmap port discovery to find out open and filtered ports available in Nmap. So this is the screenshot of Sparta in Kali Linux. So that's how you can find out the open ports available in the particular IP address, and you can scan the whole IP address available in the database. So let's do a practical on Sparta. Let's navigate to your application, click on information gathering, and click on Sparta. It is now creating temporary files for Sparta. Now this is the Sparta. It is the beta version of Sparta, and in which you can find the services and ports running on a particular target system. So let's find out. Let's minimize it and open one more window. Now I ping kali.org. This is the IP address of kali.org. Right. Now go to your Sparta and click here to type IP address of particular domain. Let's go here, copy the particular IP address and go to Sparta, paste it, run nmap host discovery. Yes, I want to run nmap to find open ports in my nmap. Open nmap staged nmap scan. Yes, I want to run staged nmap scan also. Click on add to scope. Now you can see here that Sparta has started its discovery of the particular IP address, and it is in progress. As you can see in the navigator, there are some tabs available like scripts, information. You can see the states, open ports. Now you can see that it is using inside the Nikto operating Nikto tool, and if I drag this, so you can see that 443 and 80 are available. 80 is available. If I click on services, 80 and 443 ports are open in Kali Linux or kali.org website. It is running on protocol TCP and UDP. State is open. If I click on information, that it is using IPv4, two ports are open in Sparta, and it is searching one by one. If you click on Nikto, that this is the target IP address, this is the host name, the target port is 80, the start time is this. It is running on server cloud proxy, as you can see here on the that it is in ping, that it is, we can confirm that cloud proxy is running, and Sparta is also tell you that they are using on cloud proxy. 443 is for HTTPS. They are using SSL, secure socket layer. And you can see this is the screenshot of the website firewall cloud proxy. And two ports are open, which is fine. 80 and 443 should be open, because without them the website will down or website will crash. So 80 and 443 is necessary for a website to work with the internal and external environment. And as you can see here that they are using Nikto. Nikto is a vulnerability scanner which is used to find vulnerability in a particular website. So there you can see Nikto is using. Screen shooter is this, and Nikto has find out the open ports available in the particular the website. And if you right click on this port scan, there are so many types of scans are available. Like if you want to do full UDP, click here, it will search the full UDP scan here, right? So this is all about the Sparta. Sparta is used to find the open ports available in the particular website, and it is also used to find the vulnerability in a particular website. The web server name is also available here. So this is a complete tool for a website vulnerability scanner. So I hope you have learned about what is Sparta and how you can use it to find the information regarding a website. So thank you so much guys, and see you in the next video. Thank you.